Introducing the Nexgrill Fortress 2.0 2-burner tabletop propane gas grill, the tough-as-nails portable grill that's ready for any grilling adventure. With a heavy-duty corrosion-resistant cast aluminum lid and firebox, the Fortress 2-burner is a rugged and portable grill built to last. When you're ready to cook, just push and turn the ergonomic knobs and let the built-in ignition do the rest. 2 independently controlled 304 grade stainless steel burners each offer 6,750 BTUs of flame roasting energy for rapid, intense, and controlled heating. This grill's cooking surface is equipped with durable porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids built to retain heat exceptionally well and allow for easy cleaning. And 262 square inches of cooking space under a dome lid creates enough room to make sure everyone's a happy camper. Beneath the cooking surface, 304 grade stainless steel angled flame tamers help to distribute heat evenly and protect the main burners from wear and tear while out on the road. Plus, an easy-to-read built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation for a perfect cook every time.
The new Char-Broil Advantage 2-burner gas grill is the perfect choice if you want to get cooking outside but don't need a big grill. The cooktop has the room to feed your family, and the compact design will fit into even the smallest spaces. Wide side shelves give you extra workspace and fold down when not in use, and an enclosed cabinet lets you store all your cookout essentials. We make the grilling experience easy and reliable with an electronic ignition to make startup a snap. Top-ported burners give you even heat and a wide temperature range so you can cook with confidence. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates retain heat for perfect sear marks and are easy to clean. There's a warming rack to let you shuffle the deck and a lid-mounted temperature gauge so you always know what's going on under the hood. The Advantage series comes equipped with a gear track system to attach accessories like tool hooks and condiment baskets. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 5-year burner warranty. At Char-Broil, we've been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. The new Char-Broil Advantage series delivers all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next cookout.
Finally, your outdoor kitchen is complete. Introducing the Griddle Cook Station from Blackstone. The portable cooktop you can take anywhere, from the campground to the tailgate, and then back to your backyard. Cook omelets in minutes. How about stir-fry vegetables or have a steakhouse experience at home or on the road? It's fast, convenient, and has 4 independently controlled zones and a thick rolled steel surface for excellent heat retention and phenomenal flavor. Cooking for 4 tonight? No problem. How about 10? With the flat steel surface, you have enough real estate for 28 monster burgers. Go ahead and invite the whole neighborhood over. Cook all your mouth-watering favorites from your old grill, plus much, much more. Eggs, hash browns, pancakes, cheese steaks, stir-fry beef tips, and bacon. Finally, outdoor cooking without the compromise.
Introducing the revolutionary Gravity Series Charcoal Grill and Smoker by Masterbuilt. With its gravity-fed charcoal hopper, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series lets you own the flavor of charcoal and wood. You can fill the hopper with lumped charcoal, briquettes, even add your favorite wood. And as the fire burns, gravity does the work.
And that's enough time to knock out your honey-dos, along with some of your honey-don'ts. The next step towards your next great meal, light the charcoal. Then, pull out your command control.
The Masterbuilt Gravity Series digital fan system allows you to heat up to 225 degrees in under 7 minutes. The precise temperature control maintains your desired cooking temperature. The Gravity Series Grill and Smoker allows you to ramp up to 700 degrees in just under 13 minutes.
Napoleon is making it easy to take your backyard barbecue anywhere, from your condo's balcony to the campsite and to the big game, where you can display your grilling expertise in any location. With 6 models available in a variety of colors and fuel types, including natural gas, propane, and electric, you're sure to find your perfect grill. Get the fire going with instant Jetfire ignition and 2-piece porcelainized cast iron iconic wave cooking grids guarantees excellent heat retention and those distinctive Napoleon sear marks. With a cooking grid area of 285 square inches, Napoleon's portable grills are large enough to use as your full-time backyard grill, allowing you to cook up to 19 burgers at once. Keep the fire going at just the right heat with the ultra-precise AccuProbe temperature gauge. Safely and instantly read the internal temperature of your grill with a smoking and searing range built in to ensure you're obtaining the best results. Enjoy all of the features of your grill for years to come, as the solid engineering and high-quality stainless steel hardware components ensure long-lasting performance and are backed by an industry-leading 10-year warranty.